Hey everyone, heard about golden milk? It's been making waves lately, and it's not just a passing fad. This vibrant, golden-hued drink has a rich history and a plethora of health benefits that have made it a favorite among health enthusiasts and casual drinkers alike. It's super popular right now, and for good reason. Golden milk, also known as turmeric latte, is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can boost your health in numerous ways. From cafes to home kitchens, this drink is becoming a staple for many. Turmeric lattes, also called golden milk, are taking over the health world. This isn't just a trend, it's a revival of an ancient tradition. Turmeric, the star ingredient, has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This bright yellow drink isn't just pretty, it's full of ingredients that are good for you. Turmeric, combined with other spices like cinnamon and ginger, creates a powerful blend that can help with everything from digestion to reducing inflammation. Let's explore why this old drink is so popular today. Historically, golden milk has been a part of Indian culture for centuries, often consumed before bed to promote restful sleep and overall wellness. Today, it's enjoyed worldwide for its comforting taste and health benefits. We'll look at what makes each ingredient healthy. Turmeric is known for its curcumin content, which has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Ginger adds a zesty kick and aids in digestion, while cinnamon not only enhances the flavor, but also helps regulate blood sugar levels. And show you how to make it at home. Making golden milk is simple and can be done with ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen. We'll guide you through each step, from selecting the best turmeric to adding the perfect amount of spices. Get ready to drink your way to feeling great. Whether you're looking to improve your health or simply enjoy a delicious and comforting beverage, golden milk is a fantastic choice. So grab your mug and let's dive into the world of golden milk together. The main ingredient in golden milk is turmeric, a bright yellow spice that's been used in medicine for ages. Its special ingredient, curcumin, is really good at fighting inflammation. Curcumin helps with aches and pains and keeps you healthy. It's also great at protecting your cells. Turmeric is a real gift from nature. And there's more than just turmeric. Cinnamon adds a warm, cozy flavor and helps keep your blood sugar steady. Ginger adds a spicy kick and helps your tummy, while black pepper helps your body absorb the good stuff from turmeric. Together, these spices taste amazing and are really good for you. They turn a simple drink into something super healthy. Our almond milk makes our golden latte creamy and smooth. It's low in calories and full of vitamins and minerals like vitamin E and magnesium. You can use any milk you like, but almond milk tastes great with the spices and adds even more healthy stuff. Making your golden milk a step-by-step guide. Golden milk, also known as turmeric milk, is a traditional Indian drink that has gained popularity worldwide for its numerous health benefits. This warm, soothing beverage is not only delicious but also packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Today we'll walk you through the process of making your very own golden milk at home. So let's get started. Ready to make your own golden milk? It's a simple and rewarding process that you can easily do in your kitchen. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve digestion, or simply enjoy a comforting drink, golden milk is a fantastic choice. Let's gather our ingredients and get started. It's easy. Here's how ingredients. To make golden milk, you'll need a few basic ingredients that you might already have in your pantry. These ingredients come together to create a flavorful and nutritious drink that you'll love. Let's take a closer look at what you'll need. 1 cup of almond milk, or any milk you prefer. Almond milk is a great dairy-free option, but you can use any milk you like, such as cow's milk, soy milk, or coconut milk. Each type of milk will give your golden milk a slightly different flavor and texture, so feel free to experiment and find your favorite. 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric. Turmeric is the star ingredient in golden milk, giving it its vibrant yellow color and numerous health benefits. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant, an anti-inflammatory compound that can help reduce inflammation and support overall health. 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Cinnamon adds a warm, sweet flavor to the golden milk and also has its own health benefits. It's known for its antioxidant properties and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Plus, it makes the drink taste even more delicious. A quarter teaspoon of ground ginger. Ginger adds a bit of spice and warmth to the golden milk. It's also known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. You can use fresh ginger if you prefer, but ground ginger is more convenient and still provides great flavor. A pinch of black pepper. Black pepper might seem like an unusual addition, but it's actually very important. The piperine in black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin from the turmeric, making it more effective. Just a small pinch is all you need, and honey or maple syrup to taste, if you like it sweet. Sweeteners like honey or maple syrup add a touch of sweetness to balance the spices. You can adjust the amount to your taste, or leave it out entirely if you prefer a less sweet drink. Now that we have all our ingredients, let's move on to the instructions. First, put all the ingredients in a small pan. Make sure to measure everything out accurately to get the best flavor. You can use a small saucepan or a pot, depending on what you have available. Combine the almond milk, turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, black pepper, and sweetener in the pan. Then whisk everything together so the spices mix in. Whisking helps to evenly distribute the spices throughout the milk, ensuring that each sip is full of flavor. Take your time and make sure everything is well combined before moving on to the next step. Next, heat it up on the stove, stirring all the time until it starts to bubble gently. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent the spices from settling at the bottom. Once it starts to bubble, reduce the heat and let it simmer for a few minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Finally, take it off the heat and pour it into your favorite mug. There you go. Carefully pour the golden milk into a mug, using a strainer if you prefer a smoother texture. The warm golden liquid is now ready to be enjoyed. You can garnish it with a sprinkle of cinnamon or a cinnamon stick for an extra touch. Your very own golden milk, ready to drink. Sip and savor the comforting flavors and the health benefits that come with each sip. Golden milk is perfect for a cozy evening or as a soothing bedtime drink. Enjoy. Tips for the perfect golden latte. For a real treat, add a dollop of coconut whipped cream and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Drink it slowly and enjoy the taste. You can drink it warm or cold. When to drink your golden latte, timing is everything. Golden milk is great anytime. Drink it before bed to help you relax and sleep. It's also a good way to start your day, giving you energy and focus. Drink it whenever you need a healthy boost. Mixing it up. Customizing your golden latte. Try different flavors and ingredients. Add a pinch of cardamom for a warm, fragrant taste. You can also add a teaspoon of coconut oil to make it richer and even healthier. Make it your own. Golden goodness in a mug. A recap of benefits. Golden milk is more than just a tasty drink. It's an easy way to get healthy natural ingredients into your body. This ancient beverage, rooted in Ayurvedic traditions, combines the powerful properties of turmeric, ginger, and other spices to create a soothing and nutritious drink. Whether you enjoy it in the morning or as a calming nightcap, golden milk can be a delightful addition to your daily routine. From fighting inflammation to boosting your immune system, it has lots of benefits. Turmeric, the star ingredient, is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help reduce joint pain and improve overall health. Ginger adds an extra layer of immune support and aids in digestion, making golden milk a comprehensive health tonic. So why not make some today and experience the magic of golden milk? Preparing it is simple and can be a fun activity to do alone or with family. Just heat your milk of choice, add turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and a touch of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Stir well and enjoy the warm, comforting flavors. Your body will thank you. Not only will you be treating yourself to a delicious drink, but you'll also be nourishing your body with essential nutrients and compounds that promote wellness. So, take a moment for yourself. Sip on some golden milk and feel the benefits from the inside out.